Imagine standing on the edge of a colossal plateau, shrouded in mist, where waterfalls tumble endlessly into the abyss and ancient secrets linger above the clouds. Welcome to Mount Roraima, a place so mysterious and breathtaking it inspired legends, explorers, and even the movie Up. This isn't just a mountain. It's a real-life lost world, perched high above the rainforests of South America, and it's about to blow your mind. Mount Roraima sits at the crossroads of Venezuela, Brazil, and Guyana. Its tabletop summit rises nearly 3,000 meters above sea level, with sheer cliffs that drop more than 400 meters straight down. This isn't just a geological wonder, it's one of the oldest formations on Earth, dating back almost 2 billion years. Its flat summit and steep sides make it a classic tepui, a tabletop mountain unique to this region. For the indigenous Piman and Kapan peoples, Roraima is sacred. They call it the mother of all waters because so many rivers begin here. Over time, explorers and writers have been captivated by its mystery. Sir Arthur Conan Doyle's novel, The Lost World, was inspired by tales of Mount Roraima, a place where dinosaurs and prehistoric life might still exist, hidden away from the modern world. But the real magic of Roraima is its unique ecosystem. Over a third of the plants and animals found on the summit exist nowhere else on Earth. Picture carnivorous pitcher plants, rare orchids, and frogs that don't jump, they walk. The landscape is otherworldly, rocky, windswept, dotted with strange formations and crystal-clear pools. Fog rolls in, rain batters the summit, and the environment shifts from minute to minute. Getting to the top is an adventure in itself. Trekkers journey for days through dense jungle, cross rivers, and finally climb the ramp, the only natural path to the summit. At the top, the reward is spectacular. Endless rainforests stretching below, waterfalls thundering off the cliffs, and clouds swirling beneath your feet. It's a place where you truly feel on top of the world, but this lost world is fragile. Climate change and tourism threaten its delicate balance. Protecting Mount Roraima means respecting its ancient secrets and the people who call it sacred. Scientists continue to discover new species and unravel geological mysteries here, making Roraima a living laboratory for evolution and biodiversity. Thank you for joining me on this incredible journey to the summit of Mount Roraima. If you enjoyed exploring this lost world above the clouds, don't forget to like, comment with your wildest adventure dreams, and subscribe for more journeys to Earth's most mysterious places. Until next time, keep your spirit wild, your curiosity high, and never stop reaching for new heights.